Yo, what's up everybody? In today's video, what I want to break down is how to set up your columns to be more efficient when it comes to analyzing a media buying account or an ad account on TikTok, and how to make decisions faster, right? Because the name of the game is looking at your sales funnel, where's the drop off, making decisions on that, what can be improved so that either if you're a D2C founder, you can get results for your brand. If you're an agency owner, you can get results for your clients, right? So it's very important that you have these systems to analyze data, right? So with that being said, if you don't know who I am, I'm Chris Hernandez. I operate a multi six-figure agency, Express Media. We handle ad accounts doing anywhere from 100K a month and spend, 50K a month and spend, 10K a month and spend, right? Just varies with each client roster we have and what they're trying to scale to. But more so, this is the process I developed and handcrafted to get our team results, to get our client results, to be more efficient with each data point. So with that being said, let me kind of walk you through this right here. So when it comes to TikTok, you have your creatives, you have your post click, and then you also have your offers. Those are the three main variables that you need to tweak in order to lower your CPA, right? So with that being said, we have three different column structures, right? And the reason why I mentioned before, if you follow me on Instagram, if you follow me on Twitter, I say motion is pretty pointless, because the reason behind that is you can just take the same data points that you're getting inside the ads manager and make your decisions off that. You just need your column set up properly. Whereas with the software like Motion, right, the platform itself is just giving you visual data points in which data already pulled inside the ad account. So nothing really changes. Maybe they just tweak the thumbs up ratio. That's it. So with that being said, here's the creative analysis column structure, right? And when I onboard a team member, this is the training I exactly give them, right? So we have our campaign name, ad group name, budget at the campaign level, budget at the ad group level. We have our total cost, impressions, 2-second video views at 25%, video views at 50%, 75%, 100%, average watch time per person. We have the click-through rate. We have the total complete payment, the cost per complete payment, the total complete payment view, complete payment ROAS, right? So the reason why we do this is mainly to analyze the drop off from a creative standpoint. We look at, okay, what's our impression? What's our total cost per impression? Where's the relationship in regards to the whole B-roll footage of the clip, right? And how does that convert to click-through rate? How does that convert to complete purchase, right? So we're dissecting the creative elements of each ad group that we're running. Now, this goes into the next step, the full sales funnel analysis, right? So here we have our total cost, impressions, CPM, reach, frequency, clicks, cost per click, click-through rate, total page view, cost per page view, add to cart, cost per add to cart, initiate checkout, so on and so forth, right? So we go from total cost to how many people are coming across this ad creative, how many people are actually clicking from the impressions, how many people are clicking onto the landing page, how many people actually load the landing page, how many people from that landing page are adding to cart, how many of them are initiating checkout, and then how many of them are actually completing purchase, right? So we look at the whole entire sales funnel in its entirety. And this allows us to analyze is if there's a drop off from a creative standpoint, well, we know we have a creative issue. And if our creatives has a really solid click-through rate, a cheap cost per click, and a decent CPM, and we see an issue post-click, well, then we know, okay, we need to tweak the landing page, right? Once we tweak the landing page and we see, okay, there's still not enough buying behavior. Maybe we play around with the offers to not lower the CPA on the front end, right? Those are, as mentioned, the three variables that you want to tweak with. And when you set up your columns like this gives you the data points to now make decisions on what needs to be tweaked faster, right? So now we look at the result funnel analysis. So now this is a bird's eye view, right? So you have your campaign name, your ad group name, and then you have your budget at the campaign level, budget at the ad group level. You have your total cost, your total complete payment, your cost per complete payment, your complete payment rate. You have your total complete payment value, and then you have your complete payment ROAS. So when you're looking at ad count from a 7-day window, you see, okay, how much spent, what's the overall return, right? And you can see, okay, what's the AOV of that. But these are like the three columns that you really need to realistically track data, make the right decisions faster, and improve your client results, right? So if you don't have your campaign set up like this, I highly encourage you do, because if you don't, right, I see a lot of ad accounts, I see a lot of agencies who work with client ad accounts, and they don't have the structure, right? So then they can't even provide the right guidance for a client, right? So it's frustrating when you dissect information like this and you have a pinpoint accuracy of like what needs to be fixed, or you have an SOP for that, or you have a structure or procedure to make changes to optimize results faster. Well, then you're always going to get your client results because you're always tweaking something to optimize it to its efficiency to get a lower CPA, right? So those are the variables that if I were you, I'd mess with. And this is how you succeed going into 2023, whether you're advertising on TikTok, Meta, doesn't matter. You still need to follow this frame by frame structure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.